Welcome to another class. In this class, we are going to be looking at what we call an anchor tag. An anchor tag, basically, we use it to link from one page to another. Let's assume we have an home page and you have an about page. In your home page, you want to link to about page, and from the about page, you want to link back to home page. That's where the link or anchor tag comes in. Alright, so if you are just like me, if you are using an handwriter, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do that from a mobile phone using this handwriter. Alright, now before we begin that, let's first create a folder or a directory. So let's just call it anchor folder. Alright, so now inside the anchor folder, let me see if we are not already inside it. So I want to make sure we are inside that folder. Yeah, this is it. So now I'm in that anchor folder. So I'm going to change this to index.html. We'll save this, and then so we're already in that. I'm going to create another file rather. I'll create another file. So I'm going to save this as well. So I'm going to save it inside the same folder. So this time around now is going to be about.html. So I save it as well. Alright, so now inside let me go back to the index. So inside the index, I'm going to create all our tags the way so let me first say doc, that's the document type, which should be html. Then I close that. We write our first html. we have our html, then we close it. Inside our html, we write our head tag. We have our head tag, we close the head tag. Then we have our title bar, our title tag, this is home page, so let's just call it, let me say, home page. Then we close the title tag. Then we'll come to write our body tag, close that as well. Alright, so now what we are now going to be needing now is we just want to link from the first page to the other. So we are going to have this anchor tag. This is a tag. So I press it. Now it's telling me where do I want to link it. Now the first thing, you see this one also, it works the same way image work. Now if you remember, I created a folder called anchor folder. Now in that anchor folder, both the index and the about page, they are in the same page. So which means all I just need to do presently now is just to call the other tag, which is the about.html. That's what I just need to call. There is nothing else to do because they are in the same folder. So had it been is outside another folder, then that's when I can begin to. But for now, I don't want it to be too complicated for you. So that for now, that's why I had to create two folders for them to be inside, just like the way we did with pictures. Alright, so now I'm going to close the a tag. Now inside the a tag, I will now say you remember this is my home, so I will now say I will write about. Now I don't want to go through writing this again, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy all this this three button, copy, then I'll press this menu and go to this about.html, then I'm going to paste it here. So now here I'm going to change this. This will be our about, and this is going to lead us back to the home.html, and this is going to show us home. This is going to show us home. Okay, let me say home page. Sorry, this should be index, not home. Remember, I save it with index, so home page, and let me go back to the index. The index is going to be about page. So so that's all we need to do. That's what we call anchor tag. So all I need to do now is just to press the play button. So let's see. All right, so you see now from this I can see the about page. If I click on the about page, what it's supposed to take me to the, okay, let me on that again. About home. So now let me write something so we can know. Let me just write something so we'll know that we are actually in that page. So let me come here. Let me just write yeah, let me write h1. This is about us page. Then I close the h1. Then let me go back to the okay, that's not the about us page. So this is, so let me h1. So I'm going to write this is home page. Then I close that. Then let me go back to the other one, which is the about us page. So this is about us page. This is about page. All right, so let me click again. All right, so now this is about page. So by the time I click it, I want it to go to home page.